in the process of remodeling my basement, and I'm actually building a room here, quite a big room. You can see it here, and here is the closet for this room. And what I want to talk about, I want to talk about how to install electrical box for outlet or switch. So let me show you what I'm doing here. Okay, here I have a light, as you can see, and a cable, electrical cable. And here, exactly here, in this cross, I want to put the switch. I also want to put here outlet and internet here, and in the back here, I want to put another outlet. But the first thing I want to do is to install this electrical box for switch or outlet here in these locations. So I just want to show you how easy it is to do it. So if you see these two lines that I did here, okay, I actually have a cross line here. This is vertical and that is horizontal to each other, which means 90 degrees here. Okay, and from here to the floor, it's 4 feet, exactly 4 feet. Okay, and from here to here, it's actually almost 5 inches. So that's where I want to put it. Usually you put the switch, usually it's 4 feet from the floor. You see this electrical box, as you can see here, you have really 2 screws, okay? And these 2 screws is to actually attach this box to the wall, okay? If I'm going to actually drive these 2 screws, this will close himself to the wall, to the drywall. Okay, so this is the box that I'm actually using. And what I want to do, I want to put him inside here. So what I'm doing here, look at that. I'm taking it here. I put the box exactly on, see, exactly on this cross. Okay, and now after I put it on the cross here, I'm going to mark it. Okay, so what I did here, I actually put here the signature of this box, the signature of this. This face is actually here now, okay? Okay, now what I'm doing here, I'm taking this ruler, okay, and I'll show you what I'm doing. I'm actually putting a straight line here. Okay, and straight line here. I mark a straight line here, 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 okay? So that's where I'm going to cut. That is a rectangle that I'm going to actually remove now using the Dremel to remove this piece of drywall in order to insert the box inside. So this is the tools I'm using. You can see it's a Dremel. Okay, Dremel, and you can find it on Amazon if you want. It's an excellent tool. You can actually put different knife here or blade in order to cut different things. I think everybody should have these tools at home. So now what I'm doing, I'm actually start cutting it. And remember, use mask and even use glass when you're cutting it, okay? Just to protect your eyes. And so the reason I stop is I don't want this box to fall inside. So what I'm doing here, I'm actually putting here a screw. It's a temporary screw, and then after I cut, I just pull it easily with no problem. Now just push it and that's it, you got it. So before you putting the box in, you have to find the cable that I put here. You see there's a source. There are two cables here. One of them is the source and the other one is the cable that's going to the switch. So I'm going to push both of these wires outside and somehow, which is not so easy, you know. This is one, and the second one. Okay. So here I have two cables. Cable, this is the source. I know this is the source, and this is the cable that's going to the light. Okay, let me show you where is this cable leading. This cable, okay, that you see here coming from the box, it's really this cable that you see there. So you can see this box here. So you have 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, this is symmetric, and here you see in this place I'm actually going to put the cable. The input here, you can open it in a couple of ways, but I usually push it in. Okay, push it in. You can see already a space where you can actually put the cable to the box. Okay, there are two of them here. That's the way it's look here. And from here, if you look at it here, you can see it here. Difficult to see, but you can see it's bending in. That's it. From here, it looks like that. So the first thing you're doing, you take these two wires, okay, and you just push them inside the box. This one, it's too long, but we're going to take care on it very soon. Okay, so you can see what I did. I actually put these two wires already inside, and now what I'm going to do, I'm going to just push the box inside. Sometimes it's going to be difficult, just make it a little bit, and you have a box inside the wall. So now you take this Ryobi drill and slightly so that's it. This box is attached to the wall, and by the way, when you actually drive the screw inside, you will feel straight away when you actually attach the box to the wall. So don't continue drilling because you will destroy this screw. Okay, so that's it, that's done.